2017 Suzuki Rmz250. The 2017 bike is the 2016 Suzuki Rmz250 with a yellow rear fender and new graphics. However, Suzuki did make 80 mechanical updates to the 2016 model, including a longer headpipe. When we read the brochure stating that Suzuki had made 80 changes to the 2016 Rmz250 engine, we couldn't wait to ride the bike. Sadly, Suzuki increased flywheel inertia by 9% and lengthened the head pipe by 40 mm. The 2017 Suzuki Rmz250 produces the least horsepower of any 254-stroke on the track today. The Rmz250's 38.35 horsepower is anemic compared to the 44.34 horsepower of the 2017 Husqvarna FC250. We'll do the math for you.